Alvira receives the basketball. Shoots for 3. Off iron, rebound for number 3. U-15 basketball. Maaari na nilang itabla ang larong ito if they make a 3-point basket. Number 14 now. Passes to the corner to number 15. Shoots for 3. Short. Itong si number 12 making his presence felt is getting offensive rebounds. Kanina pa siya nakakuha ng mga offensive rebound and putback. This time he gets his team an extra possession. Number 15 to number 14. Against 2 defenders. He makes it. Challenge shot yun, but he still made it. Down to a 1-point lead para sa U-13. 3-point attempt. Strong. Rebound for Champoko. Passes to number 14. Against number 7. Corner pass. Back to number 3 for 3. 3 points for number 3. Lamang na po ang U-15. Alvira getting away from 2 defenders. Baseline drive for number 26. Kick out to number 6. Swings it to number 11. Wide open for 3. He answers that 3. 3 points for number 11. Sagutan tayo ng 3 doon, mga kaibigan. Number 14. Drives. Challenges number 11. Good defense that time for number 11. He blocks that attempt. From offense to defense to si number 11. Baseline inbound for U-15. Oh, wide open. Nakalimutan nila si Kyle doon. He was wide open for that easy 2. Back to a 1-point lead for U-15. But he grabs a 3-point attempt. Short. Rebound by number 15. Keeps the ball alive and scores 2 points. Number 15 and gives his team the lead again. We're down to the last 1 minute and 48 seconds of this ball game. Wide open for 3. In and out. Number 14 against 2. There's a whistle. Foul on number 11. 2 shots para kay number 14. Ito pang lamang. Pag na-shoot niya yung 2 free throws na ito, lalamang ang kanyang koponan. He makes the first and ties the ball game. Crucial free throws ito. Misses the second. There's a whistle. Lane violation. Entering too soon. Tabla po tayo. 53-53. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. Ball possession ng U-13. Alvera with the basketball against Reyes. Number 17. There's a whistle, a foul. Foul on number 17, Reyes. Wala pa sa penalty, so sideline inbound for U-13. Alvira receives the basketball against the much taller Reyes. Behind the back dribble, keeps his dribble alive. Good defense here para kay Vince. Oh, but Alvira with the step back. Off iron, rebound for number 15. Passes to number 14. Time remaining, 1 minute 5 seconds. Shot fake, he drives it. Decides to pass it to Reyes. Extra pass to number 15. Wala. Rebound, fought for, there's a whistle. Sa kabila tayo, according to referee Josh. Foul number 3. Champoko. Time remaining, 53.4 seconds. Tabla po tayo, 53-53. Down to the wire itong larong ito. Alvira against Reyes. To number 26. Isolation play for number 26. Picks his dribble up, passes to Alvira. Back to number 26. Pass fake. There's a whistle. Foul on number 3. 2 free throws for number 26. 32.1 seconds. Tabla po tayo, 53-53. If he makes both, lalamang ng dalawa ang kanyang kupunan. So let's see. Sorry, miss on the first. Reserve timeout para sa U-15 for the lead here. Number 26, second free throw. He makes it. Lamang na po ulit ang U-13. Timeout. U-15. Number 14. To Chankoko against Alvira. Screen set by Reyes. Chankoko drives. Oh, there's a foul. Sideline inbound. Wala pa sa penalty. Reyes to inbound. 22.9 seconds. 1 point lead for the white team. Chankoko drives. Another foul. Foul on the floor. Foul on number 7. Sideline inbound pa din tayo. 20.1 seconds. 2 seconds ang nawala sa ating game clock. Chankoko. To number 14. Swings into number 15. Wide open in the corner for 3. No good. Rebound by Reyes. He misses that putback. White team now with the ball. There's a whistle. Foul on number 14. Ma-inbound muna ng tama ang bola. Ayan, he gets away. Gets a free lane. 2 points for number 26. Wait, mga kaibigan, ilabas yung mga cellphone ninyo. Baka magkaroon tayo ng buzzer beater dito to force overtime. Let's see. Coach Team gone. Reyes now passes to number 14. 3 seconds remaining. Forces a 3-point attempt. And he makes it! Yan ang sinasabi ko! Number 14 with the crucial 3 points. He makes it and ties the ball game. Wow! That was against 3 defenders. Ang tawag ng ating referee, it was a 3-point shot. This game will go to overtime. What a shot for number 14. Pull up 3.
Patay.
Some for 2 points.
Good start para sa white team here.
That 3 points is brought to you by Mona Kiki. May Mona ka na?
Hindi ko na itutuloy. Good stop there for the white team. Alvera against 2 defenders.
Sinanwich oh.
Sandwich ka yun eh, coach.
Okay, you guys are watching U-13 Team Alberta going to NBTC qualifying tournament in Toronto versus U-15 Fcba Blizzards.
High quality tips pareho to coach. Number 16 misses the layup. 14 with the rebound. Ito ang savior ng blue team. He forced overtime. Step through. 2 points. That's a Kobe Bryant move. 1 minute 37 seconds remaining. 59-58 is our score in favor of U-13, the white team.
Cool Cat versus his brother. Salvacion versus Salvacion.
Aha, Salvacion Brothers pala yan. Rebound for number 24.
Yeah, kapatid
Lapas.
yan. Magkapatid yan. Number 11 and number 14.
Number 6.
Sam.
Oh, lamang na po ang blue team ngayon, 60-59 with 1 minute 2 seconds remaining. 2 free throws for number 6. Misses the first free throw. Zero for 2. replacement free throw. One more free throw here para kay number 6. There was a lane violation. Zero for 3 there. Sayang. Lamang na sana ang white team. Good defense here for white. There's also turnover. Alberta drop pass to number 15. Blocked by Changpogo.
No mercy! No mercy, ha? Tandaan nyo, U-15, pag natalo kayo, yari kayo sa akin.
Eh coach, dahil dun yan eh. Baseline inbound. Wide open is Alberta in the corner. Off iron. Rebound. Loose ball goes to number 6.
Number 26. 38 seconds. Cool cut. Sumaksak. 28. Seconds.
Teardrop. Another crucial 2 points for number 14.
Overtime ulit. Sounds. 11
11
seconds. 3-point lead.
26 receives it to Salvacion, number 6 now. Step back from the parking lot! What a shot for number 6!
Steph Curry.
From the Steph Curry range.
Steph Curry is in the house.
Yes, sir. He decided to step back and shoot from the parking lot. Please like and subscribe. Ito na. Number 24 from the corner. In and out. But there's a rebound by number 18. Sorry, miss. We're going to a second overtime. 2 free throws for number 26. Panglamang. Again, race to 4 lang to. Crucial free throws for number 26. He misses the first. Second free throw. Time remaining 1:55.
Let's go, Andrew.
He makes the second. White team now up by 1. There's a steal by number 11.
3 points.
To number 7. To number 6. Let's see if he can make another. Oh, wide open in the corner is Alberta. Too strong rebound for number 14. Drop pass to number 17. 2 points. Vince Reyes. 64-63. Lamang po ang blue. Trapped in the backcourt itong white team. Finally, they cross the half court. Back to number 11. Shoots for 3. Off, but there's a rebound. Another block. Oh no, there's a whistle. A foul on number 3. Changpogo. So ang white team may 1 point na. Ang blue team may 2 points. Misses the first. Reserve timeout for the blue team. Second free throw. Swish. Timeout. U-15. 14 receives the basketball against number 7. Drives to the middle against 3. Drop pass to number 17. There's a whistle. Foul on number 11, Salvacion. 2 free throws, Vince Reyes. If he makes both free throws, panalo na ang blue team.
Manu Ginobili.
He makes the first long back. Long back yan kay Manu. Second crucial free throw to win the game for U-15. Short. Rebound by Changkoko against two. He puts it up. Another foul. 2 free throws coming the way of Kyle Changkoko. If he makes 1 free throw, coach, tapos na tayo. Isang free throw lang ang kailangan. He misses the first. All important second free throw for the W here. There you go. He makes the second free throw and U-15 blue team wins the ball game. Our final score 66-64. Congratulations, blue team, and also to the white team. U-13, great game, but only one team can win this game. Salamat din sa lahat ng parents na nood.